Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix you cannot send messages for 3 days on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue and you are getting the message you cannot send messages for 3 days, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. First tap on the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, then search here Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. You can see here storage and cache. Tap on that. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. If you know your Instagram user ID and password, just tap on delete. Before tapping delete, you have to read it carefully. This app's data include files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. After that, after reading this carefully, just tap on delete. Then go back. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, tap on the Instagram, tap on profile icon. After that, you can see 3 horizontal lines in the top right side corner. Just tap on that. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here help. Tap on the help. Tap on report a problem. Just tap on report a problem again. Tap on don't include and continue. Here you need to type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, I am getting pop-up message that I cannot send a messages for 3 days. I never breaks any community guidelines, so I kindly request to resolve my issue as soon as possible. After writing this type of message, you need to upload a screenshot of that error. After uploading, just tap on send button. After sending this message, you need to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, you just need to open the Play Store, search for Instagram. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see a developer contact. Tap on that. Here you will get Instagram support email ID. Just tap on that, and here you need to write the matter. Hi Instagram team, I am getting a pop-up message that I cannot send a messages for 3 days. After typing this type of message, just tap on send button. After sending this, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you cannot send messages for 3 days on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.